Changing your password on Threads is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account remains secure. Step 1. Open the Threads app. Launch the Threads application on your device. Make sure you are logged into your account to access the settings. Step 2. Go to Profile Settings. Tap on your profile icon, usually located at the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your profile page where you can find account settings. Step 3. Access account settings. Look for the settings icon, often represented by a gear or 3 dots. Tap on it to open the account settings menu. Step 4. Select Change Password. In the account settings, find the option labeled Change Password. Click on it to proceed to the password change screen. Step 5. Enter new password. Follow the prompts to enter your current password, then your new password twice for confirmation. Make sure your new password meets any specified criteria, then save the changes. After completing these steps, your password will be updated. Remember to keep your new password secure and consider using a password manager for added safety.